Hi everybody, Reich Polo Tech here. Today I'm going to show you how to put string trimmer line on the speed feed head. This is a still trimmer. I took off the still head and I put the speed feed head on, and I'm much happier with it, so much faster. I get a question all the time, is it really worth it? Yeah, it's worth it. It's so much quicker and time is money. Get back to work. So anyways, here we go. I pulled out about 20 feet of stringer line. I line up the two arrows on the top of the speed feed head with these two holes here where the line goes through, and then you feed the line straight through and out the other side. Then you pull it all the way through until it meets up with the other end of the line. Make it nice and even like that. Then you hold the bottom and you spin the top to wind it in. And there you have it. 25 feet of string trimmer line wrapped on that head in about, what, 30, 35 seconds? If you have the line wrapped up already about 20 feet or so coiled up in your pocket, if you're out in the middle of a job and you need to change it, there you go. You pull it out, 30, 35 seconds later, you're back trimming again. And that's what's important, getting back fast. All right, guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.